Hi, this is Hassan, and today I'm going to show you how to track embedded video, actually YouTube video that embedded on your website. Like this is your website, and in this site you have a embedded video. Okay, for this we have to go the variable section and enable some built-in variables related video. Okay, yeah, just enable them. Okay, go to trigger, new, yeah, YouTube video trigger. Okay, just enable all of them and set the percentage like 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%, and 100%. Okay, now you have to must enable this on advanced add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos. You must enable this. Okay, and name the trigger YT, that means YouTube video engagement trigger, then save. Now create a tag, new, for GA4. I have created the constant variable measurement ID. Okay, event name, video engagement. Okay, now I have to set some parameters. It's actually recommended from Google, yeah, which, yeah, this one, parameters, YouTube current time, video current time, next video duration. Just copy and paste. Actually copy both of them, and video percentage, video provider, and next video title, and last one video URL. Just copy and paste. Okay, now just video current time, video duration, video provider, video title, video URL, video visible. Okay, that's it. I'll give you the link on your description box. And next, set the trigger. Yeah, we have created this trigger and set this, and name GA4 YT video engagement, engagement spelling mistake. Okay, engagement tag, and save. Now submit. Actually publish this one. Okay, now you can check from preview, it will work. Thank you.